guys, John here, and it is that time again. We are drawing our 5 winners for my video in Sweden at Hornbach. I had an hour to run around Hornbach and find the quirkiest and most interesting tools for a hat to catch my flight home. It was a really cool video. If you've not seen it, go and check it out here. Bit of a blast around Hornbach, really interesting tool shop. And I put together quite a cool prize bundle. It was a Hornbach Zollstock, which you can't buy on the shelf. One of the managers had to go and get these for me. Also a Tracer long nose marker. Nice to find a British brand in Sweden. Then the coolest thing really is the Thummy, which is a little attachment for a Zollstock to make it easier for marking out boards and stuff. So that was pretty cool. And all you had to do to enter was drop a comment on that video and make sure you subscribed. And I can see we had 587 valid entries. So let's pick our winners. First up, we've got Scott Hedge, who says, Ulfa, way to go. Wow, anything to use, less plastic. Yeah, that was a really cool item that I found. It was a Ulfa Japanese-made knife made out of, it's like a plant-based plastic made knife. It was quite a quality knife too. Ulfa makes some good stuff. So nice one, Scott Hedge. You have won one of our first bundles. Let's go for number 2. Number 2 is Rambus, who says, Mora niv. You could say Mora knife. Knife in Swedish is niv or kniv, niv. There was a lot of controversy about the pronunciation of Mora niv, and I'm probably still butchering it, but there we go. Mora knife, Mora niv. But congratulations, Ram. Thanks for your comment, and you've won our second bundle. Let's go for our third winner. Third winner is Spikery Chess, who says, got to be a wall display for the 100 Zollstock mark. We are a bit overdue on that. I've had a factory move, I've had a studio move, and I'm over 100 Zollstocks now. We'll be doing something special to celebrate the 100 Zollstocks. But thanks for your comment, Spiker. Let's go for our fourth winner. We've got Anwi79, who says, haven't seen Makita branded clamps before, but they look pretty similar to T-slot clamps, micro jig clamps, so your guess for a fence clamp is probably spot on. Yeah, that was a quirky little Makita tool. It was clamps for a track saw rail, basically, for a track saw fence, but there was no labelling on the packet, and they did look a bit quirky, so always find some weird Makita bits and bobs. They're always spread out across different shops. You never really have a Makita hand tool section, so always on the lookout for Makita. Let's go for our fifth and final winner, and that is Rob C, who says, Halter Force now does a 2.4 meter Tumstock, meter stock, Zollstock. For me, it's all about the 2 meter. But my whole collection is 2 meter Zollstocks. They're all about the similar size, but 2.4 is handy for 8 foot by 4 foot boards, I suppose. So congratulations, Rob C, you are our fifth and final winner. We'll get in touch with all the winners, we'll get your addresses, and we'll reach out to you through YouTube. So keep an eye on your notifications. But thanks to everyone who entered, and congratulations to our 5 winners. And don't worry if you've missed out, we've still got loads of giveaways active on the channel. So head back to John O'Shone, check out some of the latest videos, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe, and you'll be entered into some of the future giveaways. Congratulations to all the winners, and I'll see you next time.